So, hello everyone, how are you all? So, today we are back again with another video. So, today what we are going to do is I'll just show you desktop and onto Opera. Okay, so here we have some of the stuff which we already have done, and I think past year or something like that, because I've hunted on this program, but it's been a while, like I haven't touched it. So let's just see what do we have here. So first of all, we have Equaton session. So as you can see, we have some of the information from Equaton, like we have ran Equaton here, we have headers. So here we have some of the headers. Let's just do and XML, HTTP XML, I think API and dash A. Okay, as you can see, we have some of the headers here. So let's just do here we have, like I've also done some other stuff on this Opera, but okay, we didn't do anything. I can just do rf opera.com. So we have, let's say, screenshots. So these are all the screenshots. Then we have parameters. These are all the parameters. And we also have subdomains. So how many do we have? 6820. We also did web crawl. So if you have watched our other video, so you will be knowing that what we did here, it's not like full, but we have like close these commands because they are taking a lot of time. So if you have watched my other videos, you'll be knowing about it. So also we have 403. So these are all the like the urls which have 403. So we can try these two. Also we have b dash nl. So nginx. Okay, cat tech. Okay, good. We have html. Let's check all the html code. ls. And we have port scan. So this is port scan for metasploitable. You may be knowing about it, like why do we use this xml. We have test subs. Okay, how many do we have? Test subs, it's 2000. So what we can do is, let's just do cat test subs. And okay, and let's do subdomains. Wait, subdomains. Oh wait, a new first, and then subdomains dot txt. Let's remove test subs. Okay, so you guys may be noticing something, that my typing is bit like, it's I'm not typing correctly because I've just now bought an keyboard, so that's why there are some issues with it. Like there are not issues, I'm just getting used to it. So please uh, cope up with it. So let's check to test. Okay, these are some of the stuff that we need to test, and we also have adx fuzz. Okay, so we also did this ffuf. Okay, it's JSON. We also have CSRF, like we tried something, but it was a patch request. Uh, Now we have live subdomains. So how many do we have live? Okay, so we have 3,298 subdomains. Nice. After that, we have some reports. These are, I think, from Derbuster or Aquatone. CD batch cat batch.txt. Okay, yeah, I think it's from Aquaton or some other. So we have now URLs. Let's see how many URLs do we have. 34,000 URLs. Okay, it's very good. We have Aquatone HTML. So we have the enum. Nothing here. Let's remove dash rf der enum and let's clear it. Headers, we have looked into it. So what to, okay, we have also notes. So test for open redirect, test for login with Google, Facebook, Apple, auth. Okay, so now, like, we already did most of the stuff, but what we are going to do is we'll be performing reconnaissance, like very very good reconnaissance. Then we'll be going on to exploitation phase. Okay, so let's try. So what we are going to do now is, do we have subfinder? Okay, we need to install it. Let's just do go based subfinder, and here let's go into installation, copy it and paste it here. Okay, so let's do one thing. We are testing on Opera. So what we can do is, op- wait, not here. Let's go here and do Opera dot. Oh, not Opera. Bug bounty program. Yeah, here we have opera.com. So what do we need is opera.software. So first of all, let's do one thing other than these. Let's clear it and let's go back and let's create a directory, make dir opera and new. Okay, and let's go on to this opera new. Here what we can do is, let's just do, okay, what's the bash syntax? Wait, before that, what we are going to do is, let's do it like this, and vim targets.txt. Okay, and let's paste the first one here, opera.software, api.com. Okay, osp opera software. It's API testing, but let's try it. Paste it. All the wild cards, opera.technology. It's also API testing, but like, what's the problem in this? So this is also sictunnel.com, opera.com, and okay, opramini.net, Opera News. It's also an API. Okay, I'm only testing these, what we call it, wildcards only, website testing, and we'll be using AI for it also. Like, you guys can give me suggestions if you like daily event. Okay, other than that, okay, there are much more. I'm only taking these wildcards so that I can run some tools and other things. Its scope is huge. Yeah, these are some of those, like, out of scope. Let's do it. Let's clear it and check for targets. Okay, we have 21 targets. So first of all, what we're going to do is, let's try to run subfinder on these. So let's try. Okay, bash syntax, I think it's this, vim subfinder dot sh, and it's like, I just don't remember it, and you need not to remember. Bin bash, and here we are giving, am I correct? Mm, yeah, I'm correct. Okay, so bash, and let's do one thing, subfinder dash d, and let's do $1. Okay, and let's do all dash silent, and a new $1 subfinder dot txt. Other than that, what we can do, let's try emas 2. I think we don't have emas, so let's try emas. Is it kali? Do kali have it? Emas. Okay, is it the correct one? It will take a lot of time. I think kali already have emas. Yeah, it have, so it will, I think it's doing some other things. So till then, asset finder This is asset finder. Okay, wait. Do we have asset finder too? Yeah, MS is here. Asset finder. Let's install this one too. We have chaos. I think. Okay. Okay, wait. It's Ambrose, not chaos. So till then, let's just do MS and enum dash passive dash t and then dollar one with new and dollar one ms dot txt. With that, we'll be using asset finder. So for asset finder, we'll be using asset finder dash dash subs only, and we can do dollar one and then new with dollar one and then asset finder dot txt. Okay, we did asset finder. Let's try for chaos project discovery. I think it's, yeah, it's the command line. Yeah, this is chaos. Let's install it. Wait. Okay, let me copy it. I think I've copied it. Yeah, chaos. And till it's going on, let's just do mass and then chaos dash t for target, that is dollar one and dash silent with a new and dollar one chaos dot txt. Okay, and we can also use, okay, pdcp API key. API key, check the authentication section, get your API key. Let's try this. Integrations. How do we get the API keys? Scans, connect and upload scan results from nuclei. Scan hosted. Configurations. Let's just try new config X API key. Okay, let's see uh, no problem. Let's do for chaos, and we can also do like find domain. I think you may be knowing about it. Find domain GitHub. How do we install it? Installation in Linux. Where do we have Linux? Let's try this one. Wait, do we have? Okay, let's do this one only. Dash C. And tools. Here we are. And let's do git clone to find domain. Cd onto find domain. And let's try this. Sudo apt install cargo dash y. And let's do it again. Cargo. After that, okay, target release find domain and into user bin. Okay, and then we can use find domain. Okay, it's good. So till then we'll use this find domain to find our targets. So let's try hunter and find domain. I think it's correct. Find and domain. Okay, dash t and $1 for our target dash q, and then a new to $1 and find domain dot txt. And let's do one thing. Make their $1 and then cd into this, so that everything is stored into a folder. I think it's looking good. There are much more other stuff too, but let's try this for like this right now and see if it works or not. So let's do sorry, ch mode plus x and subfind. Oh, why do I have named it at subfinder? We'll do subfinder to subdomains dot txt. Oh, sorry, not txt dot, not subdomains. Let's do only subs dot sh and ch mode plus x and subs dot sh, and let's run subs dot sh to, let's do one thing, ls and cat targets. Which one should we use? First, let's try this Opera software, and let's copy the selection and let's paste the selection. Mm, Find domain. There is some issues. I think it's compiling, but let's see. Okay, let's go into target and release find domain. Okay, it's working. Let's do move. Let's cp and find domain into user bin, or we can do like I usually do most of the tools and go, but okay, let's do user bin, and for that we need sudo and, let's do find domain. Okay, it's working. So let's just try, press enter. Okay, bin bash not found. Okay, I did some mistake, and remove dash rf opera. I know it's working. Let's do vim subs.sh, and there is some issues. I think bash syntax I did. Okay, okay, hash. Okay, now it should work. Let's try. And till then, yeah, okay, it's good now. Press enter and let's see what does it found. So it's opera software. Like, we'll be using it so that we can find as much as information from it, and also we need not to type it again and again. So it's just like you can use it as all in one, but there are much more like cert.sh, cert streams, and like if you need cert stream only, then there are much more options for that. Okay, so we guys can use that. We can use like Shadan. It's very good, and there are many. I think we can also do. Okay, nice. It's very good. Let's do opera dot software. Okay, and dash. Let's do, how many do we have? Okay, 400. Okay, we have total 452. It's very good. Let's try cat and star. You can like, for this subs.sh, you can use like all of these. Mm, what you can try is you can add your own subdomain enumeration techniques, like the we guys do many. So it's why to waste time again and again typing same commands. We can create these scripts and we can use those. So let's do cat and httpx, and let's try enu to alive.txt. Let's try it. Okay, missing URL. I think because this I think Kali already have this. So what we can do is we can do go. Okay, go bin. I'll use it cd and do we have httpx? Yes. So what we can do is cat cat and this onto desktop, and with desktop we have I think opera dash new. We can use like what was that, all of those. So we can use star and then httpx and then a new to the same location like desktop and opera new. And then okay, wait, we also did one more mistake. In opera new we have I think opera software and then star. Same for here, we have opera software and then a live.txt. Okay, now it's working. That's good. A live.txt and then let's do a live 88. Okay, it's running. So we guys can try these. Like it's just subdomain enumeration. It's a whole lot to do because we need to get as much information as we can for this program. Because as you can see, let me show you. So it already have 362 vulnerabilities. Okay, and what do you guys think? Like, will it be like, are we able to find vulnerabilities inside this if we tried only those things that everyone is doing? So what we need to do is we need to find like expand our what we call it attack surface as much as we can so that we get those stuff that no one has ever looked into. So I'll show you like I already have found some vulnerabilities. Reflected excesses, I think this is mine. Yeah, that's mine. I found it like an excesses already in this, but there were some issues. Okay, I've also found a P1 in this program only, but will it be able to like I'll be able to find this vulnerabilities like P1s and P2 and P3s in this if I try to look like other people are looking? Because if we are hunting for the same things, then how are we going to find the vulnerabilities that are being missed, because we will be finding the same stuff. Like you can see for nuclei, we are running nuclei, but okay, let's try that only. So cat, okay, on to the first one. Yeah, cat and alive, and let's run nuclei. Okay, do don't we have nuclei? I think we should be having. Okay, first of all, let me install nuclei and then we'll talk about it. Nuclei. So if I run the same nuclei templates or nuclei on the same URLs and all these, so do you think I'll be able to get the vulnerabilities? No, right? Because the thing is, we need to think differently. So for that, we need our attack surface to as much, like we need to make it as big as we can. So let me also do this thing, and after that we have like will do a whole lot stuff for this program. You can also find a, I think there is, let me show you on YouTube. I already have a video for Opera bug bounty. I think that's one of my highest, like most popular video. Yeah, this one is for Opera, I think so. Let me just check it. Is it for Opera? Yeah.
The thing that actually
Okay, wait. Let's check it. Is it Opera or not? Recreation. Okay, it's not Opera, it's recreation. And like I remember I've tested on this, like find vulnerabilities, like live bug hunting. So you guys can check those. Okay, nuclei, as we have installed nuclei, and let's try nuclei, and let's see if we find anything. Okay, and also if you guys don't know about my nuclei templates, you can also use those. So you just need to search, let then GitHub nuclei templates, and here it is. I think I've GF patterns. You may be knowing about it. Okay, it's skipping. We need to use, I'll be like, I use proxy chains. I'll give you those, what we call it. I've made some automation for nuclei that will run. Okay, wait, it's taking a time. Yeah, here we have nuclei templates. So like there are many templates, as you can see, and we have four of them, I think. Sorry, six folders, and in these six folders there are many. So you guys can try these two. Okay, so what you can do is proxy chains. Like I haven't configured it yet, but yeah, you can try cat alive, and then nuclei dash dash silent. Like what I did is I tried like on one URL, and then it will change IP. So that way it don't think like there's some attack or something like that going on, and that is much better for us. So that way we can try it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And I'm thinking like, let's do it a bit longer. Let's try to find each and everything from this program, whatever we can do. And also like, most of the people complain about it, like, you, like, not for me only on YouTube, that you guys only show how to, like, do reconnaissance. But in this series, I'll try to do what we need to do after this reconnaissance, like how to find vulnerabilities. Like, that it's not possible for me to show each and everything in YouTube videos, but like, the guys who have been following me from, like, my starting days, I used to teach like that. I used to show you how to find vulnerabilities, and we have found many vulnerabilities already while doing live bug hunting. So how I try to teach. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and if you want to learn bug bounty this way, so please do subscribe, and also comment down what we need to do afterwards. Okay, and that is it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like. And till then, like, let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.